Namaste student, Khusro Betia. Today we are going to start the topic structure noise and physiological interference in biomedical signal processing. Biopotential signals are mainly characterized by low amplitude and thus often distorted by extension interference such as power line interference in the recording environment and movement aircraft during the acquisition process. With the presence of such large amplitude interference, subsequent processing and analysis of the acquired signals become a quite challenging task has been reported in many previous studies. A number of software-based filtering techniques has been proposed in that particular case. Basically, we are trying to interface with the noise and the system, and it is a subsequent standard procedure noise. A number of software-based filtering techniques have been proposed, with most of them being able to minimize the interference but at the expense of disordering an useful component of the target signal. Therefore, this study proposes a hardware-based method that utilizes a CL driving circuit to eliminate external interference biopotential signal recording while also preserving all useful components of the target signal. The performance of the proposed method was evaluated by comparing the results with conventional hardware and software filtering method in three different biopotential signals recording experiment: electrocardiogram, electrooculogram, and electromyogram therapy. The result shows that the proposed method could effectively suppress power this line interface as well as its harmonic component, and it could be significantly eliminates the interference of unwanted electrodes leads interference. Finding from his study suggest that process method may be proved potential insight into high quality acquisitions of different biopotential signals to grateful easy subsequent processing in various biomedical applications. As important indicator of various psychological parameters of human body, biopotential signals can be directly reflected the physical condition as well as health issue of the individuals. In that particular concept, so different noise can be arise from the different biomedical instrumentation and different biomedical signals, and with the process of noise elimination we can use different types of filters and median techniques. With the increase of demand of technology driven medical device and advancement in neuroscience, cognitive psychology and artificial intelligence research, biopotential signals are being increasingly applied in real-time health monitoring, decreased diagnosis, controlled recombination device, and brain-computer interface among these. Generally, biopotential signals such as electrocardiogram, electromyograms, and electroenogram and electrooculogram are characterized by high impedance, low frequency, low amplitude, and strong background noise. So these are the components of structure noise and psychological physiological interference of the noise with the different biomedical signals. Thank you.